Goa's tourism minister, Ron County, made a startling disclosure of the Miramar event of that ocean man being a classic example of high-handedness of an IPS officer. He also says that these officers come from Delhi and don't know anything about Goa, and they think that what they think works. A cabinet minister has openly accused an IPS officer of permitting this event without having proper permissions. Has this IPS officer got some commission or cut for this event? If this IPS officer is clearly guilty, as said by Minister Rowan County, then should he, this IPS officer, also not be booked along with the organizer of the event for abetment or criminal conspiracy? If Rowan County has stated that there might be or probably is an IPS officer, then it would have been mere suspicion. He does not assume that an IPS officer may be involved. He directly hits out at an unnamed IPS officer without naming the officer who is involved. What is preventing the Panjim police station in not recording the statement of Rowan County and adding this IPS officer as a co-accused and arresting him just as the organizer of the event, Ocean Man, Mr. Kapil Arora, was arrested? I remind the Goa police and I request you all to go through this judgment of the Supreme Court in Prakash Singh Badal, which clearly states that for such offences, no sanction is needed and it is the office which gives them cloak to carry out illegal acts. Rowan County himself is making the accusation or levelling the charge. He is specific about an IPS officer. Now, what action will he take? The other is to the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. When your cabinet minister is making a serious charge against an IPS officer, as Chief Minister and Home Minister, will you take action against this IPS officer? Apart from having him booked for the offence, the Chief Minister must relieve him of all duty and post him out of Goa. We don't want such rotten people in Goa.